Want to create a shared playlist on Spotify that your friends can add songs to? In this quick Spotify tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a collaborative playlist and invite others to join. First, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap the Create button and select Collaborative Playlist from the available options. Enter a name for your playlist, then tap Create. Once the playlist is created, Spotify will show an invite screen. Tap Copy Link to copy the invitation link. Now share that link with your friends through WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or any other social media app. Here I will use Instagram. After creating the playlist, open it and tap Add to this playlist. Then tap the plus icon to start adding songs. Anyone who joins through your invitation link can also add or remove songs, making it a fully collaborative Spotify playlist. If you already have a playlist and want to make it collaborative, go to Your Library and open the playlist. Tap the three-dot menu, then select Invite Collaborators. Choose Copy Link and share the link with your friends so they can join and contribute to the playlist. And that's how to create a collaborative playlist on Spotify and share it with friends.